The LTFRB ramps up its efforts against harassment in public utility vehicles. Gerard de la Peña has the story.
The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board made rounds at the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange on Monday. The goal? To raise awareness among commuters and transport workers of the Safe Spaces Act, which prevents sexual harassment in public spaces, in this case, in public transportation.
Ito po ay inayon natin doon sa nilabas na batas ng ating pamahalaan. Ito yung RA 11313. Ito po yung Safe Spaces Act. Ito ay pinagtitibay lang po ng LTFRB at DOTR dahil kasama po doon yung public transportation. Kaya ho, mayroon po tayong paalala sa ating mga driver, conductor, yung ating po mga pasahero, kung ano po ang dapat nilang gawin kapag po sila ay naka-experience ng pambabastos.
The LTFRB doesn't have data as to how many complaints they receive regarding sexual harassment in public transportation. Complainants rarely see these cases through for fear of their safety.
May mga natatanggap kami kaya lang hindi nila tinutuloy. Kaya mas maganda po siguro ito na mayroon na ho tayong batas at may circular na rin po ang LTFRB para po mas madali po ma-actionan ho ito ng ating LTFRB board. Doon sa atin pong hotline ay mayroon po tayong guidance o guidelines na kung paano siya i-proseso para ho hindi ho matakot ho yung magsusumbong. At sigurado ho yun, yung confidentiality ho ng mga complainant natin ay mapipreserve.
Passengers said they do all sorts of measures just to make themselves feel safe during their daily commute.
Pag sumasakay ako, tinitignan ko naman kung saan ako uupo, kung ano yung katabi ko, ganun.
Nandun naman talaga po ang takot, tiwala lang sa Panginoon.
The LTFRB said the campaign is very timely as the peak season for the All Saints Day break and the barangay elections is fast approaching. The agency said it has already started accepting applications for special permits. These permits are aimed at increasing supply of buses going to and from the provinces amid high demand and normally allows vehicles without franchises to travel from October 30 to November 2. But this time, the LTFRB is extending its validity starting on October 20 up to November 6.
Yung mga nakarano kasi natin, pagka medyo may mga ipit na araw at dinideclare ho ng ating pamahalaan ay nagkaroon po ng pagkukulang sa ating mga public transport. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo yung ating All Souls Day ngayon, All Saints Day, ay nasa gitna na naman ho ng ating week. At may kasabay pa ho itong weekend, kaya minabuti po ng LTFRB na habaan ito para po mas hindi ho mahirapan yung pag-alis at pagbalik po ng ating mga kababayan sa kanila po mga probinsya.
For News 5, Gerard de la Peña, We Are One News.